In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L1800 printer driver in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have bring it up, navigate directly at the search bar and type for Epson L1800 space driver. Then hit the enter key in the keyboard, and in that way you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first result, which is enterepson.com.ph website, and kindly wait until you would be navigated to the page where you can specifically see the printer driver. Once you are here, please click on downloads, okay, to refresh the page, and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can select your operating system manually. Okay, so once it's here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11. Scroll up and click on Windows 11 and click on Go. And once again, please scroll down and navigate to Downloads. Click on it. And once it's here, please proceed with the drivers and go with this download. Okay. So the moment you will be able to click on it, you would get a window where it asks you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on accept, and in that way you can now start the downloading process. So in order to check if it's being downloaded, click on this download icon being placed at the top right corner, and please proceed to this downloaded file. Click on this folder icon to show it in folder, and eventually you would be navigated to this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to proceed with a downloaded file. Okay, please make a right click here and go with this cut icon. Once done, close the window as well as this browser, and from here you need to make a right click and click on paste. Once you have successfully pasted or moved the application, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. Okay, so please select this one, extract to L1800, and kindly wait until it would be successfully extracted. Okay, so set this aside first. And from here, a new file folder would be created. That would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So by that, please make a right click here at the start icon, scroll up and click on the settings. So kindly wait until you would be navigated to the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here before we can proceed. Once ready, okay, you need to navigate directly to the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. Click on it, and here at the Bluetooth and devices, please choose for printers and scanners. And please proceed with a device. Click on it and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add your printer driver. Once it's here, please click on add manually. And please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port as your printer port and click on next. Go with have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed and here desktop, okay, you need to scroll down and proceed to the extracted file. Double tap to it And please proceed to the extracted file, double tapped and double tapped again. And please select the driver, click on open and click on OK. Once it is being placed here, click on next and try to rename the file. In my case, I'll be deleting the series and leave the Epson L1800 as the printer name. So click on next and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next, finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L1800 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.